Hello and welcome to this live presentation on Viral Angels, an extraordinary financial opportunity for the small-scale investor. Viral Angels are a credit union. They're regulated and have their head office in Stockholm in Sweden. They were founded in June 2012 and now have business operations in 17 countries and members in an astonishing 70 plus countries. But what are Viral Angels? Well, they're a business angel and they offer a private members equity club to people like you and me, giving a unique opportunity for us to be shareholders in a number of selected companies and a serious and exciting way to enhance savings. I think for most of us small investors, it's really difficult at the moment in the environment we're in financially to find a very good return for the savings we have. And Viral Angels really do give an extraordinary opportunity to us. What do they actually do? Well, Viral Angels, a bit like Dragon's Den, will evaluate and select companies with potential. They cherry pick the best of them and take a strong shareholding position in them. Next is to create an action plan and see that plan through to completion. And that might include increasing the number of shareholders in the company, assisting with mergers and acquisitions to make it a stronger business proposition, to raise capital, assist with marketing, and to prepare it for the initial public offering on one of the international stock exchanges. In return for the support they're inputting, Viral Angels receive stock holdings and they distribute them, 20% retained by Viral Angels itself and 80% of those shares allocated to members. The team leading Viral Angels is headed by CEO Anthony Norman, and the management team have a great deal of experience of listings on several markets internationally, from London, Frankfurt, Berlin, Stuttgart, Stockholm to New York with its well-known NASDAQ. And certainly for members in Viral Angels, since it started, they've seen share growth of over 300%. When you join Viral Angels, you have a unique space, which we call the back office, on their website. And it's really a goldmine of information that allows you to manage your Viral Angels membership. Everything from selecting membership through to sharing the invitations if you know someone that you'd like to join the club. Really everything that you need to know about. And one of the areas on the back office allows you to select membership levels, and you'll see here what those levels are, with monthly subscriptions from €89 to €990 and different benefits attracted by each level of membership. I think it's important to say that members select a level that's absolutely right for them, and there's complete flexibility to change that at any time. Those of us who have budgets that we meet, sometimes you get the unexpected wobbly thrown into that, something breaks down or whatever, and you may not have the same disposable income month by month. The great thing with membership here is you can up your membership for the good times, and if times are a little tighter, you can take your membership level down. As long as you keep your active membership, you'll receive all of the benefits of membership and the share allocations that come with it. And those membership benefits give information about non-listed companies. I always think when I see that expression of the movie Forrest Gump, where Forrest at the end talks about owning shares in a fruit company that someone recommended to him. And of course that fruit company was Apple, and those shares created a great wealth for him. And we're hoping really with the companies that we're working with through Viral Angels that the same thing is going to apply. The companies are absolutely fantastic. There's an incredible range of innovation, I think, to suit most interests. And we receive weekly share allocations in those companies. We also have access to a trading platform via the back office, which we call the VAX. And that allows members to trade shares with other members before the company actually floats. It allows you to increase your portfolio. It may be that you'd like to sell shares and take the cash for them. You can do all of that within the VAX trading platform and build a portfolio of shares really that reflects your interest and your financial goals. Membership also brings a prepaid card, access to education and training, and option to participate in various Viral Angels bonus programs and crowdfunding. I mentioned just now the prepaid card, and there are two versions of that. One, the Pavo card, a prepaid debit card provided to members from Gold through to Emerald, and then for the higher levels of membership there's the T24 Black card, a prepaid debit card which includes Priority Pass. For those of you who do a lot of international travel, you know that they have the VIP lounges worldwide and you can access those via Priority Pass. In the details of membership, you'll find a number of expressions that perhaps don't make a great deal of sense. I'm going to run through those now, but we'd counter that by saying that apart from knowing about them and knowing that there is information that you can find out if you need to, on a day-to-day basis, we really don't need to worry about any of this because it's all done automatically by the Viral Angels system for us. But I'm going to run through them just so that you know what the membership actually includes and how things work. VA Open is the Viral Angels open market. It's free for all members to participate in, and it's open to companies outside of the Viral Angels portfolio. There may be some companies you think worth recommending to Viral Angels, so please do that if that's the case. And it's really a preliminary stage where Viral Angels can source its coming projects from. Viral Angels will choose companies from the open market that they want to move forward with and invest in, and those selected companies will then be promoted into the Viral Angels Prime list. As just mentioned, the Prime list is for companies that Viral Angels have chosen to invest in, and those are companies that are included and represented on the Viral Angels trading platform for unlisted shares. There are some examples of them there. A few months back, Viral Angels introduced a new activity, underwriting, and that means that they will guarantee certain selected project offerings. And when they're underwriting, Viral Angels actually get paid in shares for doing that, and those shares they then allocate to members who are qualified by their membership for this pool. The option and performance pool. The option pool, in most of the investments and underwriting cases, in addition to the shares that they're paid, Viral Angels also require the company to issue an option to members so that members can buy in at a later stage at an attractive, really preferential price versus the market. So this pool consists of all of the options that are required by Viral Angels for its members. And the performance pool, when taking a company public, Viral Angels include a success fee for doing that, and that's based on the company's market cap once it's fully public. Should this exceed a certain figure, Viral Angels will receive additional shares, and those shares will be allocated to members who are entitled to this pool. And the index pool. On Viral Angels' own list, there will be an index, just as there's an index on the major stock exchanges worldwide. Viral Angels take a certain percentage of the money coming in, and they will buy stocks for that money according to the index so that it's spread just like the index is, and that makes sure there is always a viable market. The shares that are purchased go into the index pool and are then allocated to members entitled to the pool. So at whatever stage in the process, Viral Angels are very conscious of ensuring the value that comes back to members, and as I've mentioned, this is for information really only, and all of it is taken care of automatically within the Viral Angels system. So as an investor, you can come into Viral Angels and passively invest by paying a monthly subscription of your choice, which you can flexibly move upwards or downwards or leave as it is. And you can also decide purely to have that membership, to hold it, and really do very little other than watch your portfolio build as the weekly share allocations come in and you're given details of them. You can also choose though to change and enhance that portfolio by trading shares with other members, selling those that you may not be interested in or buying additional ones so that you have a portfolio that reflects your interest in your investment. Viral Angels though also offers another side, of the membership to all members, and that's an opportunity to build a business. That can be on a part-time basis or on a full-time basis. And the way that it's done really is using that good old business principle of word of mouth recommendation. Viral Angels don't advertise anywhere for their members. That's left to members to send invitations and introduce new members to the group. And that membership mass will actually be capped. It's not an open-ended membership. Viral Angels have set a specific target that they will reach, and then membership will be closed. And that really protects all of us by making sure that the investments that we're making really do continue to give us a very good return. So if you're introducing a new member, inviting a new member who also sees Viral Angels as a viable opportunity, what happens then? Well, you're paid a commission, and that would actually go down for 5 levels of any team that you build. And that can be quite lucrative. It can either be a way of paying your own membership on a monthly basis, or it can be a way of creating additional income which you can take from the business in cash. It's paid instantly, so it's a really good way of doing business. Viral Angels don't have to pay for advertising. Instead, they pay members for introducing members like ourselves. There are then other income options. So the direct bonus I've mentioned down to 5 levels. There's a monthly bonus, leadership bonus, quarterly cash bonus, annual leadership bonus, and then special promotions and share bonuses as well. And for some who reach the top of the career plan, if that's their choice, there are then things like luxury trips. So a package that is constantly really enhanced with opportunity. Let's run through those bonuses very quickly. The monthly bonus applies to people achieving a career position from senior manager through to president, and it's a cash bonus from €300 to €1,000 a month. There's a monthly leadership bonus, which kicks in at the position of executive manager and again goes through to president. And that's a percentage based with variable percentage depending on the position that someone has achieved on the career plan. There's a one-time quarterly bonus for the positions of director through to president, and that's based again on team turnover with a straight 5%. There's an annual leadership bonus for the positions of director through to president. Again, variable percentages, and they range from 0.25 through to 1%. So again, all adding up to create very healthy incomes. And those healthy incomes are shown here as estimated monthly incomes for the positions of manager through to president. So earning really anything on a part-time basis for from an extra €250 a month through to €17,000 a month for the top position of president. All of those very good incomes as far as I'm concerned. Some of those earned on a part-time basis, some of those on a full-time basis. All of them optional if you want to build a team of your own, and all of them fully detailed in the career plan, which is in the Viral Angels back office space. To help any member in building a team, it's really great to have a way to have the business shown to their new prospects, and that's done really by a series of webinars in different languages, 9 languages, 11 languages I think is the current total, and they run through the week, just really accessed by a link put into a browser bar on the internet, and you then have a full live presentation of the business in the different languages. It's a really great way to show the business to somebody. So Viral Angels, if you're not inside, you're outside. It really is an extraordinary opportunity for small-scale investors, whether that's purely as an investment vehicle or whether it's as a part-time or full-time career option. I'm really grateful for your time in watching this live presentation. I hope that the information contained in it will encourage you to become a member of Viral Angels, and I would recommend that you contact the person who first spoke to you about Viral Angels for further details. Thank you so much for your time and hope to see you soon.